Hi everyone, myself Bhagyashree and today I'm going to solve this kids with the greatest number of candies problem from the lead code, and it is comes under the easy category one and also asked in the many product based company. So let's start with that problem. So there are n kids with candies and you are given an integer array candy where each candidate I represent the number of candy in the ith kit has an integer extra candidate denoting the number of extra candy that you have. So return a boolean array result of the length and where the result I is a true if you can see the condition will be true if just mark this question if after giving the ith candy all the extra candy they will have the greatest number of candy among all the kids, otherwise false. So we have to be check each and every time when we are adding candy with kids, candy with extra candy, it will be greater, not be smaller. So this is the main condition which we have to be applied. Okay, and return that if we are getting the max value then we can yes true, otherwise we can return the false one for that particular candy's position. So you can see we have a candies 23513 and extra candy 3. So we are getting the output true, 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 false, false. Sorry, false and true. How we are getting this true, false? Just explain here already. Like first kid have a 2 plus a, we are getting the 5. Then second we have a 3 plus a, we are getting the 6. Okay, which is greatest among the kids. Similarly, for this 5 plus 3, we are getting the 8, which is already greater than among the kids. At the phone number, you can see we have a 4. And if we are checking the previous one, which is 865, we are not getting the max value from this, from the recent one or on the I can say previous one. So that's why it will be returning as a false. Again we are coming as a kid 5, they have a 3 plus 3 equal to 6. So it will be again, you can see 2 3 5 1, it is again greater number. So that's why it is returning a true. So this is the overall logic we have to be understand and have to be applied in the same code. So let's start with the coding. So first we can check int max candy, we have to be find out. So this is an array, so we can use the candy dot max method here for getting the max value from this input. And after that we have to be check like the value which we are getting is true or false for that purpose, and storing in one of the list. So I created the list. Check max, I can say new list. Okay, after that we just apply the loop for the same for each for nums of that candy which we have. So I can say int candy count in candies. Similar one. We are getting each number, sorry, each candy count from this candies array and adding in the extra candies. Okay, it will be I can say result will be G1. And here we can create one bool value which is checking the max we are getting or not. So yeah, as the input mentioned, like we have to add the candy plus extra candy which is greater than equal to max 1. So just apply the same loop here. Candy count plus extra candies, same variable name which we have to be passed, otherwise we are getting the error. Okay, so this just I am copying that. Okay, which is greater than max candy. We already find out the max candy. Okay. If we get, we are returning the true, otherwise we are returning the false. So we also have to maintain this true false value. So I just adding this same value here, check max, and yeah, and we have to return the same. result, return result here. Okay, it is a very easy problem. Just we have to understand the scenario and the process. And similar thing, what we are discuss, what we are verbally discussing, you have to write in the coding language. So just running this problem solution. Okay, the code is passed. Test cases, all these test cases, just submit it. Okay. So for the time and space complexity, you can see we are storing this list. While storing all the true false value, it will be taking the big O of n for the space complexity. Coming to the time complexity, we are iterating with the help of for each on the candies count. That's why it is also taking the big O of n. So both space complexity and time complexity, we have a big O of n values. Hope you like this video and understood the solution on that. Meet in the next video. Thank you.